Ferris IQ Online Training. What is Ferris IQ and why does it matter in modern IT? Ferris IQ is a modern IT monitoring and management solution that focuses on delivering AI-driven insights for proactive infrastructure management. It integrates advanced analytics and automation to optimize the performance, availability, and efficiency of IT ecosystems. Designed to meet the needs of complex and dynamic IT environments, Ferris IQ plays a pivotal role in simplifying operations, minimizing downtime, and supporting digital transformation initiatives. Key features of Ferris IQ: AI-powered analytics provides predictive insights to identify potential issues before they impact operations. Unified monitoring offers centralized visibility into the entire IT stack, including applications, servers, networks, and cloud services. Automation capabilities facilitates automatic remediation of common issues, reducing manual intervention and improving operational efficiency. Scalability, tailored to support growing IT infrastructures, from small businesses to enterprise-level environments. Custom dashboards enables teams to create personalized dashboards for tracking performance metrics relevant to their roles. Integration-friendly, seamlessly integrates with other tools, platforms, and APIs to create a cohesive management ecosystem. Why does Ferris IQ matter in modern IT? Proactive problem resolution. By leveraging machine learning and predictive analytics, Ferris IQ shifts IT management from a reactive to a proactive approach. This helps businesses avoid costly downtime and maintain consistent service delivery. Enhanced IT efficiency. The platform automates repetitive tasks such as patch management or alert triaging, freeing IT teams to focus on strategic initiatives rather than routine maintenance. Support for hybrid and multi-cloud environments. With IT infrastructures increasingly moving toward hybrid or multi-cloud setups, Ferris IQ ensures unified visibility and control, simplifying complexity. Cost optimization. By pinpointing inefficiencies and resource wastage, the solution helps organizations optimize spending on IT resources. Improved decision-making. Real-time data insights and customizable reporting provide decision-makers with the information they need to align IT performance with business goals. Applications in modern IT. Infrastructure monitoring, keeping critical systems operational 24/7. DevOps support, enhancing collaboration between development and operations teams through real-time insights and automation. Digital transformation, accelerating the adoption of new technologies by reducing the operational overhead of managing IT environments. Compliance and security, ensuring systems meet regulatory requirements with comprehensive auditing and monitoring tools. How does Ferris IQ optimize enterprise IT operations? Ferris IQ optimizes enterprise IT operations by leveraging AI-driven automation, advanced analytics, and integrated IT service management (ITSM) capabilities. Here's a breakdown of how it enhances IT operations. 1. Proactive monitoring and alerts. AI and ML for anomaly detection. Ferris IQ continuously monitors infrastructure, applications, and networks to identify potential issues before they impact operations. Real-time alerts. It generates alerts for anomalies, allowing teams to address problems proactively. 2. Automated Root Cause Analysis (RCA). Correlation of events. Pherocycle uses AI to correlate events across different systems, reducing the noise and focusing on the root cause of issues. Faster troubleshooting. Automated RCA minimizes the time required to identify and resolve problems. 3. Predictive Analytics. Capacity Planning. The platform forecasts future resource requirements based on usage trends. Incident Prediction. It predicts incidents and outages, enabling IT teams to take preemptive action. 4. Intelligent Automation. Automated workflows. Pherocycle automates repetitive tasks such as patch management, incident resolution, and system updates. Self-healing capabilities. The system can autonomously resolve common issues without human intervention. 5. Enhanced IT Service Management (ITSM). Integration with ITSM tools. Pherocycle integrates seamlessly with popular ITSM platforms to streamline incident, problem, and change management processes. Service Request Optimization. AI prioritizes and routes service requests efficiently, ensuring faster response times. 6. Comprehensive Dashboards and Reporting. Unified View. The platform provides a centralized dashboard with real-time insights into system health, performance, and usage metrics. Customizable reports. IT teams can generate reports tailored to their operational needs, aiding in decision-making and compliance. 7. Collaboration and Communication. Integrated communication tools. Pherocycle facilitates collaboration among IT teams by integrating with messaging and collaboration platforms. Incident War Rooms. It creates virtual war rooms for high-priority incidents, ensuring all stakeholders have real-time access to information. 8. Improved User Experience. Reduced downtime. By preventing incidents and resolving issues faster, Pherocycle minimizes disruptions to end users. Faster service delivery. Intelligent routing and automation ensure quicker service fulfillment. 9. Scalability and Flexibility. Adaptability to enterprise needs. Pherocycle scales easily to accommodate growing IT environments and diverse operational requirements. Support for hybrid and multi-cloud environments. It optimizes operations across on-premises, cloud, and hybrid setups. What key features make Pherocycle stand out? Pherocycle is known for its advanced features tailored for IT monitoring, performance management, and predictive analytics. Some key features that make Pherocycle stand out include: 1. AI-driven insights. Leverages AI and machine learning to provide predictive analytics, enabling proactive issue resolution and minimizing downtime. Real-time anomaly detection and root cause analysis. 2. Unified monitoring. Provides a single pane of glass view for monitoring IT infrastructure, including networks, servers, applications, and cloud environments. Centralized dashboards for better visibility and faster decision-making. 3. Dynamic scalability. Supports scaling across hybrid environments to accommodate evolving IT needs without sacrificing performance. Adaptability to enterprise-level and smaller-scale setups. 4. Customizable alerts. Intelligent alerting system with threshold-based notifications to prevent alert fatigue. Customizable notification preferences for teams and stakeholders. 5. Integration capabilities. Seamlessly integrates with various IT service management (ITSM) platforms like ServiceNow, Jira, and others. Supports APIs for extended compatibility with existing tools. 6. Performance optimization. Offers deep insights into performance bottlenecks with actionable recommendations for optimization. Real-time performance tracking to ensure optimal resource utilization. 7. Ease of deployment. Offers flexible deployment options, including on-premises, cloud, and hybrid. Quick installation process with minimal configuration overhead. 8. Advanced reporting. Rich analytics and reporting features to visualize trends, performance metrics, and KPIs. Pre-built and customizable report templates for executive summaries and technical insights. 9. Self-healing automation. Automates repetitive and critical maintenance tasks, including remediation for common issues. Supports workflows for self-healing, reducing the need for manual intervention. 10. User-friendly interface. Intuitive user interface with drag-and-drop capabilities for custom dashboards. Supports role-based access control, RBAC, for enhanced security and usability. How can FerrisIQ improve network monitoring and performance? FerrisIQ is a network monitoring and performance management solution that can significantly enhance network visibility, operational efficiency, and overall performance. Here's how FerrisIQ can contribute to these areas. 1. Comprehensive network visibility. Real-time monitoring. FerrisIQ provides real-time insights into network activity, allowing administrators to identify and address issues as they arise. Device and endpoint tracking. It offers detailed visibility into all devices connected to the network, ensuring proper inventory and status tracking. Traffic analysis. By analyzing network traffic patterns, FerrisIQ can identify bottlenecks and anomalies. 2. Improved performance management. Bandwidth optimization helps manage bandwidth usage by pinpointing bandwidth-heavy applications or devices and enabling optimization strategies. Latency and packet loss monitoring tracks metrics such as latency, jitter, and packet loss, ensuring smooth and reliable communication. Proactive issue resolution. Predictive analytics and anomaly detection allow the system to alert admins about potential problems before they impact performance. 3. Enhanced troubleshooting capabilities. Root cause analysis. FerrisIQ's diagnostic tools help quickly identify and resolve the root cause of network issues. Historical data insights allows for trend analysis and problem pattern identification by reviewing historical network performance data. Automated alerts. Customizable alerts notify stakeholders about critical events, reducing the time to resolution. 4. Scalability and adaptability. Support for growing networks. FerrisIQ is designed to scale with organizational needs, accommodating increasing devices and network complexity. Multi-vendor compatibility. It integrates seamlessly with various network devices and systems, ensuring compatibility with existing infrastructure. 5. Advanced analytics and reporting. KPI dashboards displays key performance indicators in intuitive dashboards for easy understanding. Customizable reports generates tailored reports to suit the needs of different stakeholders, such as technical teams or management. AI-driven insights utilizes machine learning algorithms to provide actionable insights for improving network performance. 6. Enhanced security. Threat detection monitors for suspicious activities and potential security breaches within the network. Compliance monitoring helps ensure network operations align with regulatory and compliance standards. Role-based access control implements secure access protocols for monitoring and management activities. What are the benefits of using PhyrusIQ for data analytics? PhyrusIQ offers several benefits for data analytics by providing advanced tools and features that cater to organizations looking to optimize their data-driven decision-making processes. Here are some of the key benefits. 1. Enhanced data integration. Supports seamless integration of disparate data sources, including structured and unstructured data. Enables real-time data aggregation and synchronization across multiple platforms. 2. Advanced analytics capabilities. Provides predictive analytics tools powered by AI and machine learning. Offers robust visualizations, enabling users to gain actionable insights quickly. Includes prescriptive analytics to recommend the best courses of action. 3. Scalability and performance. Designed to handle large-scale data analytics workloads, making it suitable for growing businesses. High-performance processing ensures quick and reliable analytics even for complex datasets. 4. User-friendly interface. Intuitive dashboards and drag-and-drop interfaces make it accessible to non-technical users. Customizable reporting templates allow users to tailor outputs to specific needs. 5. Cost efficiency. Reduces the need for multiple standalone tools by combining data integration, analytics, and reporting in one platform. Cloud deployment options can lower upfront infrastructure costs. 6. Real-time insights. Delivers real-time analytics, enabling businesses to respond promptly to market trends and operational changes. Real-time anomaly detection improves operational efficiency and security. 7. Strong security and compliance. Adheres to data governance standards to ensure compliance with industry regulations. Provides role-based access controls to secure sensitive data. 8. Collaboration features. Enables teams to work collaboratively on analytics projects through shared workspaces and reports. Integration with other business tools facilitates smoother communication and alignment. 9. Flexibility and integration. Compatible with various data storage systems, by tools, and third-party applications. Open architecture supports customization and extends its functionality based on unique business requirements. 10. Actionable insights for decision-making. Helps businesses identify patterns, trends, and opportunities to improve operations and drive growth. Offers KPI tracking to ensure alignment with strategic goals. How does PhyrusIQ ensure scalability and flexibility for businesses? PhyrusIQ is a platform designed to provide scalability and flexibility for businesses through its advanced features and architecture. Here's how it achieves these goals. 1. Cloud-native architecture. Elastic scaling. PhyrusIQ leverages cloud-native technologies, allowing it to scale resources up or down dynamically based on workload demands. Multi-cloud support. The platform is compatible with multiple cloud environments, enabling businesses to deploy it across various cloud providers for maximum flexibility and redundancy. 2. Modular design. Microservices-based approach. Its modular design enables businesses to adopt only the functionalities they need, facilitating a tailored and efficient deployment. Interoperability. PhyrusIQ integrates seamlessly with other business tools and systems, enhancing flexibility in diverse IT environments. 3. Data management and storage. Distributed architecture. PhyrusIQ uses distributed databases and storage solutions to handle large-scale data efficiently and ensure high availability. Data elasticity. Its ability to expand or contract storage dynamically ensures cost-effectiveness and optimal resource usage. 4. AI-driven insights. Predictive analytics. AI algorithms optimize resource allocation, forecast future needs, and help in proactive planning for scalability. Customizable workflows. Businesses can configure workflows to adapt to changing needs, offering both operational flexibility and resilience. 5. User-centric features. Scalable licensing. Flexible licensing models allow businesses to add or remove users and features as their needs evolve. Role-based access. A robust permission system ensures that scaling operations maintain security and compliance. 6. Automation and orchestration. Process automation. Automation capabilities reduce manual workload and improve efficiency, enabling businesses to handle growth without significant resource investments. Orchestrated scaling. Integration with orchestration tools ensures seamless scaling of services and applications. 7. Performance monitoring. Real-time metrics. PhyrusIQ provides real-time insights into system performance, enabling businesses to anticipate and react to bottlenecks. Adaptive scaling. Automated monitoring triggers scaling actions based on predefined thresholds, ensuring consistent performance. 8. Compliance and security. Global reach. PhyrusIQ supports compliance with regional regulations, example GDPR, HIPAA, allowing businesses to scale internationally with confidence. Built-in security. Secure APIs, encryption, and robust access controls ensure scalability does not compromise data security. How to get started with PhyrusIQ, a step-by-step guide. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started with PhyrusIQ, a platform designed for advanced observability and AI-driven insights into IT systems. Step 1. Understand PhyrusIQ capabilities. Research PhyrusIQ's features such as observability and monitoring for applications, networks, and infrastructure. AI-driven analytics for anomaly detection. Integration capabilities with existing tools. Identify your organization's needs. Example, application performance, infrastructure monitoring, or predictive maintenance. Step 2. Prepare your environment. System requirements. Ensure your infrastructure meets the requirements for deploying PhyrusIQ. Confirm network connectivity and permissions for data collection agents. Data sources. Identify the systems, applications, and devices you want to monitor. Gather API credentials or access details for integrations. Step 3. Deploy PhyrusIQ. Installation options. Cloud. If using a SaaS version, follow the registration and setup steps. On-premises, download the installation package and set up the platform on a dedicated server or VM. Set up agents. Deploy lightweight agents or collectors to gather data from servers, applications, or devices. Step 4. Configure integrations. Connect data sources. Use the PhyrusIQ dashboard to add integrations. Supported integrations may include public clouds, AWS, Azure, GCP, DevOps tools, databases, and network devices. Authentication and APIs. Set up API keys or other authentication mechanisms as required. Step 5. Define monitoring goals. Set KPIs. Determine key performance indicators, KPIs, for monitoring. Examples: response times, error rates, resource utilization. Create dashboards. Customize dashboards for a real-time overview of system health. Why choose ProExcellency for PhyrusIQ online training? Choosing ProExcellency for PhyrusIQ online training offers several advantages. Expert instructors. ProExcellency provides access to experienced and qualified trainers who have in-depth knowledge of PhyrusIQ. This ensures that you learn from experts with real-world experience and practical insights. Comprehensive curriculum. The training program covers all key aspects of PhyrusIQ, from basic to advanced features. It includes step-by-step guidance and hands-on practice, allowing you to understand and apply the concepts effectively. Flexible learning. ProExcellency offers online training, which means you can learn at your own pace and convenience, without the constraints of a traditional classroom setting. You can access materials, videos, and exercises anytime, from anywhere. Interactive learning. The training focuses on practical learning through real-life case studies and scenarios, ensuring that you gain practical knowledge of how to use PhyrusIQ in your organization. Certification. ProExcellency offers certification upon completion of the PhyrusIQ training, which is a valuable addition to your professional credentials and can boost your career prospects. Customer support. ProExcellency provides excellent customer support, ensuring that any queries or challenges you face during the training are addressed promptly, making your learning experience smooth. Affordable pricing. ProExcellency often offers competitive pricing for their training programs, ensuring you get high-quality training at an affordable cost. Ongoing updates. As PhyrusIQ evolves, ProExcellency ensures their training material stays up to date with the latest features and industry best practices, keeping you ahead of the curve. Thank you.